Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Friday, January 18th of 2019. Couple morning announcements for today. It is Friday. We do have our riddle for the day today on Friday, and the riddle is, what is full of holes but still holds water? Have to think about that one, boys and girls, but I can tell you right now there are some clues on this page that could help you. For your lunch choices, you have fish sandwich, pepperoni pizza, or chicken Caesar salad with Cheez-Its. And we do have our pause from our 4th grade students to come up.
Okay, for our pause for today, we have 3 students from 4th grade who give some great suggestions today about things about our pause.
Be friendly to your friends. Don't say that you're not friends, even though you guys are friends, because you may make your friend sad and lonely, probably. Treat people the way you want them to be treated. Don't push people on the ground.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, 4th grade students, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. And at this time, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, boys and girls, time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, 4th grade, for doing a Pledge of Allegiance. And boys and girls, remember for our riddle, so you have to tell me what you think the answer is. I will make an announcement of the winner right before lunchtime starts today at 10:25. So the window is going to be smaller than what it has been in the past. First winner that tells me the correct answer gets a prize. So good luck, have fun, and have a great Friday.